Hello everybody, Math with Chris. Today we are going to look at the factors of the number 12. 12 is in fact the smallest number with more than 4 factors, so we got a couple steps involved here. First thing we always do when looking for factors of any number is bank the two easiest ones. Those are of course 1 and the number itself, in this case 12. The next thing we got to do is think of any two numbers that multiply together to give you 12. You can come up with anything that works. In this case, we have two options. We could go with 2 times 6, or we could go with 3 times 4. It doesn't matter. You can pick and choose as you like. I'm feeling lucky on 3 times 4, so I'm going to go with that. Now we're going to branch out 12 into a factor tree. This looks kind of like a family tree if you've ever seen one of those. Branch it out and put the 3 and the 4 here. First, let's take a look at the 3. Is 3 a prime number? Can you break it down any further? It is a prime number, and you cannot break it down any further. So that guy is done. Circle him. 3 is done. And now let's take a look at the 4. Can you break down 4 any further? Is there any two numbers that multiply together to give you 4? Well, in this case, there is. 4 is, of course, 2 times 2. And is 2 a prime number? 2 is, of course, a prime number. So circle that bad boy there. The other 2 is, of course, a prime number. Circle that bad boy there. And now every branch ends in a prime number, meaning we are done with the factor tree. We came up with a 2, and a 3. Those are the circled numbers. Put those down here. Those are the prime products of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. That does in fact equal 12 if you want to double check, as it should. And so we can now bank those prime numbers, 2 and 3. Those are both factors, of course. And any number we hit along the way in the factor tree is also a factor. Here we go. This 4 is a factor. We hit the 4. And now the last thing we have to do is take a look at the prime factors down here, 2 times 2 times 3. Is there any combination of these numbers that we can multiply together to get us a new number that isn't in the factor bank already? Well, 2 times 2, we already got that. That's 4. What about 2 times 3? Yeah, that's a new one, right? 2 times 3 is 6. Is there any other combination? Here's another 2 times 3. We already got that. So we are in fact done. These are the 6 factors of 12. We got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 6, and a 12. That is it for that. We have a bunch more videos of finding factors of numbers using factor trees, going with numbers all the way up to 500. So if you need additional examples, check it out. Click on the video in the upper left corner. See you all again next time, guys.